Investment bank Goldman Sachs said in a report that India is projected to become the second largest economy in the world by the year 2075. The report said that India will surpass Japan, Germany, and the United States. India is currently the fifth largest economy in the world. As per the Goldman Sachs report, the factors driving this forecast are favorable demographics, innovation and technology, higher capital investment, and rising worker productivity. According to Goldman Sachs researchers, India economist, innovation, increasing worker productivity, and capital investment are also going to be significant drivers of growth going forward. On Tuesday, the India Meteorological Department or IMD issued red and orange alerts for several districts of Himachal Pradesh for the next 24 hours. The Weather Office has issued a red alert for districts including Shimla, Solan, Mandi, Kullu, Sirmaur, Kinnaur and Lahaul for the next 24 hours. On the other hand, an orange alert has been issued for districts like Kangra, Chamba, Una and Hamirpur. Senior IMD scientist Sandeep Kumar Sharma said that a flash flood warning has also been issued for Mandi, Kinnaur and Lahaul Spiti for the next 24 hours. On Monday, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu said that the state has not seen such heavy rains in the last 50 years. The water level of Yamuna in Delhi breached the danger mark. The river is now hovering at 206.24 meters while the danger mark is at 205.33 meters. According to the Central Water Commission or CWC, this has triggered a high alert in Delhi. The development came as more rain was predicted in the city for the entire week after 3 continuous days of torrential downpours which triggered waterlogging in several areas. As the water level touched the danger mark due to the release of water from the Hathni Kund barrage in Haryana, rail traffic on the old Yamuna rail bridge was temporarily suspended from 6 am on Tuesday. The Yamuna is threatening to cross its highest flood level of 207.49 meters, which was recorded in 1978. At least 6 people, including 2 children, were killed and 2 others injured after a school bus rammed into an SUV in Uttar Pradesh's Ghaziabad. 6 people were killed and 2 others were critically injured in the collision. Police said that the bus, which was empty, was coming from the wrong direction when it collided head-on with the SUV on the Delhi-Meerut Expressway early this morning. The police said that the driver of the bus has been arrested and an investigation is underway. The police said that the occupants of the car were members of the same family and there was no student on the bus. Confirming the deaths, ADCP R.K. Kushwaha said that the bus driver was coming from the wrong direction after getting CNG from Ghazipur in Delhi.